Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first DIY of the year 2023, so Happy New Year! I'm really excited about this year. I want to make some changes on my channel, and I want to do a little bit more than just home DIYs and decor and stuff like that. I also want to do more stuff on my second channel as well. And I also want to get into probably selling a little bit of merchandise. I'll take some time to figure this out as we go. Let me just start out by showing you this gorgeous little fireplace that I found at Dollar Tree. And it was in the $3 and $5 section. It's so cute. It takes 3 C-size batteries, but check it out. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, so with winter being upon us, I thought it'd be really cute to have a little bit of ambience in the background back there from time to time. So as you see, I have this right here, and I picked this up at Dollar Tree. And as you can see, it's from the plus section for $5. Now, I actually picked up 2 of these because I have 2 ideas on how I want to decorate these. And naturally, of course, they will be glam. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And really all these are those little bowls that you can buy at Dollar Tree. They come in stacks of 3 and 4. That's what I believe these are. And you get this wooden piece here. To get this started, first thing I want to do is spray paint the silver. And because I have 2, I went ahead and spray painted this one silver to get everything started. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is go ahead and add some silver leaf to this. Here I have some silver leaf adhesive. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush this on here and let the adhesive sit up for about 30 minutes. Once that's done, I'll come back and add the silver leaf. Okay, again, I'll let this sit for like 30 minutes. Let it get tacky, then I'll come back and add the silver leaf. Okay guys, I'm back, and now I have some silver leaf. You can also use gold leaf. Now you guys have seen me do this plenty of times, I'm sure. So you just take your silver leaf. Oh, and you can also use silver leaf flakes. And you just lay it down and take a soft bristle brush and just brush it on. So simple. And this is going to make the wood look a whole lot better than just painted silver wood. You can also use your fingers. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I'm done adding the silver leaf. So next thing I want to do is flip this over. I'm going to add these small crystal knobs to use as feet. So I'm going to take some of my Clear Grip Gorilla Glue and apply it to the knob and then put it on the base. Okay, so now I just flip that over. Remember, we have the 3 bowls that came with this set. Alright, so what I want to do now is take this particular knob and I'm going to glue this to the bottom. And put this right in the center. And I went ahead and glued the other 2 just like that ahead of time. So let's see if this is ready. This is going to be glued on just like this. So let's go ahead and add some glue to this base. And glue it right to the center. Now I'll just put this aside and let the glue set up, and then I'll come back and decorate it even more. Okay guys, so let's go on to DIY number 2. Again, we're going to start out with the spray painted base, and I added silver leaf to this one as well. And I removed the label from underneath. Okay, again, we have the 3 bowls that come with the set. At this time, I'll glue the 3 bowls to the bottom of the wood, and then the 3 bowls will become the base. So I'm going to take some more of the clear grip Gorilla Glue and put it on each bowl. Now I'm putting the glue on the highest part of the bowl. This is going to be the center. Okay, so now I'm going to flip them over and let that sit just like that. Okay, next up, I have a glass from Dollar Tree. So I have 3 in all. This one I have cleaned already. And what I want to do is go ahead and decorate this glass because it's going to go right in the center. These are going to go on top, just like so. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead, let me just move this back some more. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this glass and then move on. Okay, so I decided to go with some mirror towel to decorate my glass. Let's do 2 strips around the top. This is what we have so far. Okay, so next I'm going to fold this back and cut 3 rows. And the reason I'm cutting 3 rows is because I want to make squares or diamonds. So it's going to take 9 tiles for each diamond or square. Just like so. So now we have a square or a diamond. So what I'm going to do is just go right down the center with a diamond shape. Now this is just a design that I want to do. You can do whatever design you like. Whatever design you like. This is what we have so far. Now as you can see, we have 5 diamonds. So I'm going to do this 3 more times, 1 directly across on this side and the center of each one. I'll do that and then come back. Okay, this is what my glass looked like after I finished it. I went ahead and put a big diamond here and on the opposite side. So I decided to go ahead and add some crushed glass. So I have some Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and my crushed glass. Here I used the paintbrush to apply the Mod Podge to the glass. And be generous. Once you're done adding the Mod Podge, just pour the crushed glass right on top and then pat it down. Okay, this is what it looks like after the first layer. I'll go ahead and remove the crushed glass from the mirror. Once this dries, I'll come back in and fill in any open spaces. Okay guys, so I'm done adding both layers of the glass to each one of my glasses. So now I'll allow all 3 of those to dry. Meanwhile, back to this. What I want to do now is trim the edge with mirror towel and around the base of each glass as well. It's going to take 3 rows. Okay, just like that. So now I'll continue to go all the way around and then come back. Okay, so now I'm done adding the mirror towel all the way around. Now I'll trim the base of these with mirror towel as well. And I'll continue to go all the way around all 3 and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, I'm done adding a mirror towel to the base. Now the next thing I want to do is take 9 squares. I want to put one right in each corner. Okay, so now that's what we have. Okay, so next up I have a shot glass. And Dollar Tree sells some really cute glasses. I really would prefer one of those. I'll link a video below where I use them to use as a lift. But what I want to do is lift the center candle holder. It's a little bit wider. I want to put it in the shape of a triangle. So what I'm going to do is add some mirror towel around the top and the bottom. And now I add a second row. Now I'll go ahead and glue this to the very center. I'll take some of my Gorilla Glue and put it right around the base. Now I'll put that aside and let that set up. So now I'll go ahead and seal my glass in place, and I'll link a video below to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, then I'll come back and glue everything together. So this piece, this is what we have. Now with this one, I'm going to add some of this adhesive bling that I picked up from Amazon, and I'll be sure to link it below. Okay, so what I want to do is put some around the base of this one, and I'm going to measure to see how many rows I need. I'm at 6 rows, so now I need to cut 6 rows. Alright, so now I'll just line this up and see where I need to cut it. Isn't it beautiful? I'll go all the way around and then come back. Okay, I'm done adding the trim all the way around. And it's really giving it a more glam look. Okay. Now, what I want to do is go around the top of these with the bling as well. Now you can do this ahead of time. You don't have to wait until after it's done. So I'm going to start right on the inside. And this is 4 rows of the bling. Okay, just like that. And I'll do the other 2 as well and then come back. Alright, so I'm done adding the trim to each bowl. And this is what we have. So what I'll do is go ahead and put some candles in here, light it up, come back and let you see what they look like. Moving back to this one, let's go ahead and glue our candle holders to our base. Okay, so now I'll let the glue completely dry. Then I'll put some candles on the inside, light it up, and let you guys see what it looks like. As promised, here's the first set that I made, and I glammed it up even more by adding some of the Dollar Tree acrylic diamonds to the base. And the 3 engraved candles are from Dollar Tree as well. I really love the way it turned out, and I think it's the perfect DIY for a beginner. So if you're new to DIY, please give this one a try. And finally, we move on to DIY number 2. And yes, that's a butterfly right in the center. I decided at the last minute to add the butterfly to make it more decorative and beautiful. And this is the perfect time of year to find these butterflies because they are ornaments. I purchased mine from Walmart, but you can also find them at Hobby Lobby. And the best part is everything's on sale right now, so hurry out and grab some of these beautiful butterflies. Now, if you're unlucky and can't find any, I do have a DIY that will show you how to make your own beautiful butterflies. And I'll link that video in the description. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, this year, 2023, I'll do a regular upload on Mondays and Thursdays, so please make sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on my next DIY. Okay, everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.